Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Tour. This is question 8 of the Cambridge Igcse Mathematics written in May-June 2024. If this is the first video you are seeing, kindly go to my YouTube channel. There is a playlist there titled Igcse Mathematics, paper 42 May-June 2024. There are 7 videos there for questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 respectively. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to receive a notification anytime I upload a new video. Like, comment, and share this video. Question 8. A baker decorates X small cakes and Y large cakes. In one day, it decorates 1. Not more than 16 small cakes. 2. Less than 10 large cakes. 3. More small cakes than large cakes. 4. A total of not more than 24 cakes. One of the inequalities that shows this information is x less than or equals to 16. That is, for the first one, not more than 16 small cakes. That is 16 and below. Okay, so part A, write down the other 3 inequalities in X and or Y. Okay, so don't forget that X is for small cakes, Y is for large cakes. Okay, for the second one, less than 10 large cakes. Okay, so that would be Y is less than 10, Y is less than 10. So because Y is for the large cakes and less than 10 will be Y less than 10. More small cakes than large cakes. More small cakes than large cakes. That is, X is greater than Y. And the fourth one, a total of not more than 24 cakes. That is, X add Y is not more than 24. That is, less than or equals to 24. That is 24 and below. Okay, so these are the 3 inequalities required from the from part A. Part B, on the grid, draw 4 straight lines and shade the unwanted regions to show these inequalities. Label the region R, which satisfies the 4 inequalities. Okay, so we have the 4 inequalities here. The first one is X less than or equals to 16. Then the second one is this, Y is less than 10. Okay, so the third one is X is greater than Y, and the fourth one is X plus Y less than or equals to 24. Okay, so it will be very easy to navigate from there. So let's start with the first one, that is X less than or equals to 16. So a quick one, if you have this symbol less than or equals to or greater than or equals to, so these two requires what? A thick line. Okay, then if you have less than or greater than, so you make use of what? A broken line. Okay, so this is very important, a broken line. This is a thick line. Okay, so let's start with this. X is less than or equals to 16. Of course, we are going to use a thick line because of this inequality. So where is X equals to 16? Okay, so here X is equals to 16. Here we draw this straight up. Okay, so I may need to draw it 2 times. Okay, the first one will be 16 here, from here to here, because it can only go like this. Okay, let's take that again. So we start from here like this. The graph is a little bit somehow bending. Okay, so let's manage it like this. Okay, good. So I'll need to continue. So let's pick this like this. Okay, good. Then we'll stand this up here. Okay, so that's the first one, and in this case we are asked to shade the unwanted one. Look at it, and shade the unwanted regions. Okay, so from this now we need all the values of x that are less than or equals to 16. So this side, okay, is the wanted side. So that means we need to shade this one. Okay, so we don't need this one like this. So let's take our time. So the whole of this will be gone. So we don't need this side. This is the unwanted side for the first one. So let's scroll up a little bit and complete this. So we don't need this side. Okay, we don't need all this. Okay, so and you may want to put a vertical one, but I think it's okay like this. Okay, so if you have your pencil, you can take your time and shade very well. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, so the second one is y less than 10. Y less than 10. So this is 10. So don't forget that we have to use a broken line because we don't have sign of inequality here. So let's locate y equals to 10 and draw with a broken line. So here we draw like this. Okay, so that will be a broken line. So sorry for this error here. So the image is a little bit bad, so that is why it's not on this route. Like I see that this line looks like it appears to be like a curve a little bit. Okay, so that is why it is not on the straight line. So y less than 10, so the wanted area will be this side. So this is where you have all the values of y that are less than 10. So the unwanted one will be up. So we need to, okay, let's scroll up a little bit like this. So we need to do this, we don't need this. So this is the unwanted area for this one. So you shade like this. Okay, so maybe probably I can just use a shading stuff, okay, to do that. Okay, I think I can still do that. Okay, I can use the highlighter so that it will be very easy for us. Okay, so we don't need for y less than 10, so we don't need these areas. So let's do something like this. So we don't need this area. Okay, so we don't need this area, so we can do that. Sorry, it shouldn't be more than that. Okay, so just pardon me. So we don't need all this. So we need to shade this too. So as well as this. Okay, take this one too. Take this one too. Okay, let's take this one too. So these are the unwanted values for y less than 10. Okay, so we don't need this. All these values are more than 10, so we don't need them. So that's why I'm shading this one here. Okay, so let's complete it with this. Let's do this. Okay, how can I manage to do this? Okay, so let's carefully do this. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, so I don't know if I can use cleaner to remove this a little bit. Okay, so it's not responding. Okay, good. So the other one too, don't forget that we shaded the whole of these two before. So for x is less than or equals to 16, so this is unwanted area for that. So part of it is already shaded, okay, because that should be this side, and we have already shaded it. So using the second one, okay, so let's complete this. So just a quick one. So I want you to really see the position of the location of R. Okay, so that's why I decided to shade with this, so it will be very clear. Okay. Okay, so a little bit, let's do this. Okay, let's see if we can do something here too. I think yes, we can do something. Oh, sorry, a little bit is covering that. So let's take it a little bit. No, it's too much. Somewhere here. Okay, like this, like this, like this. I think it's a little bit better because I want you to see the red line. Okay, so let's manage it like this. Okay, so that's the second one. Then let's go for the third one. So that would be x greater than y. Okay, so here you need to be very careful. Okay, so you can do a little transformation here. So x is greater than y. It implies that y is less than x. Okay, so y is less than x. The reason I change this is the given inequality, but I change it to this, which is very correct. If x is greater than y, it implies that y is less than x. So the reason I change this to this, okay, is because I can easily draw y is equals to x, okay. So y equals to x, okay, will also be y less than x will also be a broken line. Okay, so I can easily draw y equals to x. Once I get y equals to x, so I can get y less than x. Okay, so let's try and draw something like this too. So we need to be very careful. So like this, like this, so like this, like this, like this. Okay, so I don't need to continue. Okay, to the last part since all these sides, this side is unwanted area. Okay, so I will just stop here. Okay, so let's shade the now. So this is y equals to x, but we need y less than x. Okay, so how do you get, is it this side or this side? So it's very simple. So let's take a point here. For instance, if you take this one here, okay, this particular point here where my cursor is, so where my pen is, okay, so x equals to 4 and y equals to 6. So that means at this point, okay, this particular point, that means y is greater than x, but we need x where x is greater than y. Okay, so that's what we need. Okay, so if you come to this side now, let's take a point here. So here x equals to 6 and y equals to 4. So 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. So that means y is less than x. So it is this side. We need this side. So this is the wanted area. So this is the unwanted area. Okay. So this is the wanted area. Why this is what is the unwanted area. So let's shade this side as well. So we're going to shade this side. Here, the whole of this will be shaded carefully. So this will also be shaded. 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 This, and let's carefully do this one. Okay, so good. So we're left with the last one, which is x plus y less than or equals to 24. Okay, so we need to do a little adjustment there. So if you have x plus y less than or equals to 24, so we can write it like this: y less than or equals to negative x plus 24. So yes, so it's easy to draw y equals to negative x plus 24. So this is equation of a straight line. Okay, so we can draw this. Once we draw this, okay, so we can now use it to get this one here. Okay, so let's plot y equals to minus x plus 24. So if you compare this with y equals to mx plus c, you see that the intercept on y-axis is 24 and the gradient m equals to minus 1 over 1. That is, you run, so negative form means you come down once and you run forward once. That's the meaning of this gradient. And then c is equals to 24. It means where the straight line touches y is y equals to 24. So we're going to have a point here. So let's put a point here. So that's the y-intercept on y-axis. Okay, so you fall down once like this, then you move forward once. Can I see this very well? Fall down one here, then one will be how many here? I can't really see it here. Okay, because of this shading. Okay, let's see. Okay, come down once, then okay, this is it here. I can see the thick line if you look up here. So this is a thick line. Okay, and let's use this to study it. Okay, so you have the first thick line, so the second thick line, so that will be a step here. Okay, sorry, that will be 2 units. So but we need 1 unit, so it will be just a box is 1 unit, 1 year, 1 year. Okay, so from 24, okay, let's take a step here. It will be this middle, then a step here, it will be somewhere around here. Okay, then let me just do that manually, then I'll show you the results. Okay, instead of that, I think I can just open this place a little bit. So let's open this place a little bit, then when I'm done I can shade it. Okay, so I think this will be better. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so if I need another one again, so this will be the first one here. So let's remove this. Okay, good. So this is 24, intercept on y-axis. So you fall down once, it will be here, then you move forward once. So this will be another point. Fall down once, move forward once. So we maintain this. So like this, 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 and like this. Okay, like this. Let's see, hope I did not miss anyone out. Okay, like this, and finally like this. So this is what you get here. Okay, so you just have to draw a line like this. So you just only this part that you have to. Okay, that's all. So this will be y equals to minus x plus 24. So what we need less than, so we need y less than or equals to minus x plus 24. Okay, so let's try and take or if you want to get that, you can still use x plus y equals to 20 less than or equals to 24. Okay, this will be easier. So we know that this is the straight line we're going to get. So the wanted area, is it above the line or below the line? So we can always use this in the inequality. Okay, so let's take a point here. So let's scroll up and see. Okay, so if you take this point now, x equals to 8 and y equals to 16. So 8 add 16, that will be 24. Okay, which is correct because it's on the line. So now let's take this point above it. So that is here now, x equals to 10, then y equals to 17. So 10 add 17, that will be 27. So it's not above the line. So we need this, that is below the line. So that is the wanted. So unwanted one is up here. Okay, so which we have already covered here. Okay, so let's shade everything again. Okay, so we have x plus y less than or equals to 24. So we are using a thick line. So we'll draw from here. Okay, let's pick this like this, and this will follow like this. Sorry, the graph is a little bit bent. It should follow the line. Okay, not here. So let's do that manually. Sorry, so I'll pick this. Sorry, let's pick this line. So to follow this one here. So yes, it has to be here like this, and the last one is here. Okay, good. So don't forget that the wanted area, so we are shading the whole of this. Okay, so the wanted area will be below the line, so above the line will be shaded. But don't forget that the whole of this place will be shaded as they were this area was shaded before I opened the space here. So it is only this place that we're going to shade a little bit now. That's this small one here. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so we are shading the whole of this. Like I have something like this before. Sorry. So shade the whole of this. Shade the whole of this. Okay, because that region was shaded before. Okay, so we shade this, this, this. Okay, up to this broken line here. Okay, so it will be this. Oh no, that has covered something there. So let's take this place gently. Okay, I think we can take it gently to this broken line. Okay, good. Okay, so we can just do all this, make them better. Okay, good. Okay, now consider that this is the thick line adjust this diagonal line. Okay, so this part, okay, this little open space is part of the unwanted region. So I need to shade this place like this. You need to be very careful. Okay, so that's just the only thing we got from the last one. Okay, good. So now, so what you have left now, so this particular side now, so this is the region of R. Okay, so we can indicate the region of R. So as stated here, so label the region R which satisfies the four inequalities. Okay, so it is this region. So let's write a big one here. So and I'll try to show you now. Okay, so these are the inequalities. The first one is x less than or equals to 16. So the second one is y less than 10. So the third one is x is greater than y. And the fourth one is x add y is less than or equals to 24. So let's pick a point or 2 points here, okay, and check it with these four inequalities. So if I select this point here, okay, look at this point here, x equals to 10 and y equals to 4. So for the first one, x is less than or equals to 16. So which is correct. The value of x here is 10. So x is less than 16. Okay. So the second one is y is less than 10. Okay, because here y equals to 4, so it's less than 10. Okay, the third one is x is greater than y. So x is 10 and y is equals to 4. So x is greater than y. And the fourth one is the addition of the two must be less than or equals to 24. So 10 add 4 is 14. So you can see, so any point you pick in this region, okay, will satisfy these four inequalities. So that will be the solution to this part. Okay, so this will be the end of the solution to question 8. In the next video I will solve question 9. Until then, have your fingers crossed.